Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Quack the Cool Doc, and I'm with my friends,
Money Bags.
and today we're playing Don't Press the Button.
Bow bow psh, bow 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 psh, bow bow psh.
Quack the Cool Doc!
Bow bow psh, bow 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 psh, bow bow psh. Quack the Cool Doc.
Alright, let's play.
Let's go.
So you don't know what Don't Press the Button is? I died. Which basically, if you press the button, something crazy will happen. No, you got a hot potato. Get away from me. My screen's still not loaded.
That's weird.
Whoa.
Mine is.
Look, I have no grass and I'm just floating space. Oh, there we go. That was fully loaded. No. I got a welcome award. Okay, wait for me. Oh, we can jump super high. We're in Galaxy.
Whoa, we're floating.
We're in Galaxy. See it?
Beautiful morning.
My diamond.
Ah, dang. Yeah, if you press the button, something crazy happens, and you gotta make sure that you avoid the chaos at all costs. Oh, get ready to fight with laser guns. Don't mind if I do.
Got him.
No.
Did you get frozen?
Yep.
Gonna freeze everybody.
You're still in the game?
Yep. I just freeze two people.
What is this noob doing here?
It's from the last round, remember?
Oh, yeah. The noob apocalypse.
Don't chase me, girl. Oh, you're trying to chase me. No, I got frozen. At least I froze two people.
Beoni Rose won.
Man.
Congratulations if you're watching this.
Trampoline! Woo!
Whoa!
You have to keep jumping to make it go even higher.
Mm-hmm.
Get this diamond. Perfect. Huh, Cauldron? How did you go in? Let's find out.
I was about to say, we're gonna...
Whoa, I'm fat!
And I'm skinny.
Look.
What the heck?
I'm fat.
Quack the fat duck!
Wow. Hey, guys. It's the money back. It's the skinny money back squad. Oh, me and you on the same team, right?
Get ready to color these tiles. The team.
Oh, look, I just realized in this game, my shirt actually loads. In most games, it doesn't load.
Yeah, you're representing your beautiful home country of Canada.
Yay, thank you, Roblox.
Yeah.
Don't press the button.
I can't believe you never told us that you were actually born in Canada.
I am.
That's crazy.
My screen's a little bit laggy for some reason, so every time I do put a color on, it takes a while to load. No, blue team won!
Oh, no!
No! Blue team wasn't supposed to win. I'm still fat. Ready to play dodgeball. Oh, jeez. Look at the noobs on our team!
Come on, noob, help us!
Got it. Oh, yeah, we got knocked out. Not the best at dodgeball, as you can see. Go, Team Red. Malachi. Woo, I'm cheering for you.
Whack 'em. Whack 'em all.
Wait, let me get back up there. How did I get back up there? Oh. I'm going to do a little dance for you. Oh. Wait, what's this? Let's do a dance together. You want to have a dance together?
What dance?
Ready? Come here. I'll do this dance. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Emotes.
Hiya. I don't know.
I forgot you could do that.
Some games you have to buy it, some games you don't. Wait.
This one.
Wait, watch this. I'm telling you guys to subscribe and like this video.
Nice.
We only have one person left already. 1v1.
Go, go, go. Whoever's on the red team, go.
Then it's this girl.
The noob will help. By the power of the noob.
No, he won't.
Oh.
No! The noob didn't even do anything. Noob's useless.
He's just standing there. Menacing.
I already... What? Oh, look. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just floating up in space. Wait, are all you guys down there? I died.
Well done.
That was, I don't even know.
How do you describe that?
You see that thing? You see the island up there? Mm-hmm. I was above the island. So they just oofed me. Jumping on some clouds. I'm inside the cloud. Do you see me? Do you see me?
Yeah.
Where am
I? You're right next to me. Oh.
Where was I before?
You were right next to me.
No, I wasn't.
Oh.
Another cauldron? I'm fat again! Go in!
Oh, I got a big head.
I'm fat. Why do I always become fat? Is this game trying to say I'm fat? Move out of the way!
Oh no!
I'm gonna fire in my laser. That will later the subscribe button. Get to the end of the road with the traffic lights green. Oh no. We're playing green light. Red light, green light. Did you die and get kicked out of the map? I died. Where are you? Excuse me, you're not answering me.
Green light, yellow light, red light. Oh!
Are you in the match? Oh, there you are. Tag, you're it.
I'm gonna get you.
No, you're not. I have super duck speed.
Gotcha.
Oh man, I'm gonna come for you. Ha! Gotcha.
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 Okay, this is good.
Gotcha.
Yeah, gotcha. Gotcha life.
Gotcha.
If you haven't seen Quack's Gotcha Life videos, hit him up.
Yeah. And if you can't find them, just look at the playlist. It's called Quack Plays Gotcha Life.
The first one we did is actually the most popular video on Quack's channel currently. 1.5k views.
Click the... Oh, jeez. Nope.
RIP.
Did your friend join us?
Oh. Oh yeah, there she is.
Yeah, your friend joined us. Let's go. Alright. Lava's right here to the top. Run! Ah! It won't let me!
No!
No! No, I need to run. No, I fell! I was meant to jump. I think I accidentally missed the jump button. I'm gonna say hi back. I'm gonna say hi as well. Wow! Bye-bye to the match. Jordans!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Run away from the ball with Jordans. Oh, the Jordans. Wait. Oh, but I was gonna go for that pad. Wait, where'd the noob go?
The noob's gone.
Whatever cup the coin is in, okay?
Snap.
Memory game. Okay. Okay, I think I got the right cup.
I think I did too.
Let's see.
Yes!
No.
Oh, you didn't get it?
Oh. He literally put me on this little string. I just boom! And I flew over to space, and that's the end. She keeps pronouncing my name Quack, and the last thing we do, she did that too.
Quick, go to one of the corners. I'm going to green.
Green! If you want to stay strong. Oh. She did not want to stay strong.
Rip.
It's easy, just go to one of the corners. No fair, this guy has a speed coil. That isn't fair. Is it? What? Good jumps. Oh, I see what I did. Ready to push on people with your table. I'm gonna push on you!
No, please don't.
Yes. Oh my.
Oh,
No,
geez.
I am not listening to this. I am sorry for. Friends trying to push me. You're not gonna push me today. Ah, this noise.
Yikes.
Oh, you always put your friends off. Almost did. Oh, jeez.
Survive the lava spinner. Oh, whoa!
Right.
Oh, that was.
No!
No, darn it.
I barely missed it. Okay, I can turn my sound up now.
Ooh.
Your friend, looks like all of us. Got you. Did that guy try to do a hack and come down there, but then he fell? They hit the lava spinner.
I think so.
Well, keep doing it again. He died again. That guy's using some hacks.
He must be.
Time for a trivia quiz. Oh, jeez. How many?
Either they're an avocado.
Oh! Why did I pick one? I don't know why I did that.
Oh, what?
It's a secret. Try to get found. We gotta run. There's no escape. You just try not to get found.
I was about to say I haven't gotten found so far, but right as I said that, that figures.
I'm just gonna follow your friend.
Yeah, go ahead.
Don't you dare bring me to the seeker. It's a rock. I think we're not gonna get fat. We're in this like little corner. You can't spectate in this game, can you?
Probably not.
Yay! Only me and your friend, one other person won. Trampoline again!
Whoa!
Who's gonna push the button this time? I think somebody pushed it.
The cake is a lie!
I'm glad I didn't go for that cake. Even though if it was a real cake, it would probably taste really good.
Bubble wrap!
Yes! Look at the sound too.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is gonna turn to a always satisfied video. Maybe I should do a video where I react to like always satisfying things. Maybe.
Yeah.
But it'll probably be a little while because I have to find all these satisfying videos. I think will be okay for this kid channel. And I have to put them all in probably like a place or something. Zombies are running cities, run from them. Oh jeez. This ain't good. I died.
7 survivors left.
6, because I died.
And I'm not one of them. Oh.
I don't think Joelle, Ballad, Fred, whatever her name. Oh, I'm a zombie! Yes. Roar, I turned into a zombie! Yes. They're all zombies now, ha! Are you a zombie?
Yeah.
Zombies. Oh my gosh, I died as a zombie.
Dang.
Zombie friends! Give me a high five. Where are you going? No, the survivors win. That sucks. Because we were zombies.
I like singing. I like dancing.
Move out of the way.
I like trains.
Wow!
I die as well.
I like singing.
No, not again!
Dancing. I like trains.
Oh, I barely died. Keep getting run over by this train. Times my speed cube. Stay in the stew as long as you stew. Oh, it's spinning. That's what they meant. No.
What did you think they were talking about?
I don't know. Go up there. Run, 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 run. Are you still on the cube? I don't think so.
Nope.
Do you see me?
Yep.
I won!
Woo!
Wait, somebody's name is Kids Bob.
No, it's just kids.
Oh, I thought it was Kids Bob. The moon is burning. Escape, guys.
Ooh.
I'd rather not touch the walls.
No.
Parkour!
Ah!
I like the music. So like something the undercover duck track.
Yeah.
I escaped! Victory dance for me. Wait, how did I die? Made me die.
That is so weird.
Oh, only one person. No, I escaped. Oh, we're supposed to do an obby at the end as well. There's a diamond in the Cape Colonial for anyone else says, yeah. Let's go. Not this way. How did they get the diamond so quickly?
I guess we'll never know.
Galaxy again! Woo! Well, I think that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And
Money bags.
there's a link in the description or the title.
And if you want to follow me on Roblox, it's Moneybags the Meme or 919.
And mine is Quack the Cool Duck 514. See you next time.
Bam bam psh, bam ba bam psh, ba bam bam psh.
Quack the Cool Duck.
Bam bam psh, bam ba bam psh, ba bam bam psh.
Quack the Cool Duck. Bye guys. Oh, yeah.
Bomb.